Rules for bargaining. When the inevitable crash of the dollar happens, being able to know the skill of bargaining will become essential. Bartering exchanges require caution and strategic thinking, so follow these safety rules so you can minimize the risk and maintain a level of security while participating in different transactions. Number 1. Never flaunt your wealth. It is important to avoid drawing unnecessary attention to yourself by flaunting your possessions or constantly showcasing the best items you have available for barter. In a post-apocalyptic world, being perceived as the person of wealth can make you a tempting target for theft or dangers. Keep a low profile and avoid making yourself a prominent figure in the community. Number 2. Barter in different locations each time. To maintain your safety and prevent others from tracking your movements, avoid conducting bartering transactions in the same location repeatedly. By changing your bartering locations, you reduce the risk of potential looters or bandits becoming familiar with your patterns and targeting you and your supplies. Number 3. Offer different items each time. Diversify the items you offer for barter to avoid becoming known for one particular resource or specialty. By rotating the goods you exchange, you prevent being labeled as the food guy or water chick, which could lead desperate individuals to seek you out solely for those specific items. Staying versatile and adaptable in your offerings help maintain your anonymity and security. Number 4. Keep a low profile. It is crucial to maintain a modest and discreet demeanor during bartering transactions. Never boast about the items you possess, hint at hidden treasures, or engage in any form of threatening behavior. Acting with humility and respect helps avoid unnecessary attention and keeps your interactions focused on fair trade rather than confrontation. Number 5. Never share the location of your stash. The location of your supplies should remain strictly confidential, even when dealing with close and trustworthy friends. While you may trust them implicitly, unintentional leaks and overheard conversations can lead to information falling into the wrong hands. By maintaining strict secrecy about the whereabouts of your stash, you protect yourself from potential threats posed by desperate individuals who may be eavesdropping or attempting to exploit vulnerabilities. Remember, maintaining safety and security should be top priorities when participating in bartering exchanges in a post-apocalyptic world. By adhering to these rules, you can reduce the risks associated with exposing yourself and your resources, while ensuring your bartering transactions remain beneficial and mutually advantageous.